Henry, what you doing?
I'm doing this puzzle.
Is it tricky or easy?
Good.
It's just good?
Yeah.
But is it too tricky?
No, it isn't.
Is it too easy?
No.
How much easier it is?
It's not that much.
It's like that much easy?
Yeah.
Huh. How many pieces are there?
1, 2, 1.
Like show us like with your fingers.
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 pieces? Okay.
Yeah, 10.
What is it about?
They're kind of like 9 pieces though.
Yeah. And dinosaurs fighting.
Oh, a T-Rex and Stegosaurus fighting?
I mean, I feel some type of fighting.
Oh,